Hi, I am Sriranjani Ramkumar from Product Marketing team here at MathWorks, and welcome to this video on installing the Embedded Coder Support Package for Renesas RH850 microcontrollers and setting up the target hardware. Before you begin, verify the MATLAB R2026A is installed. In MATLAB, go to the Home tab, open the Add-ons drop-down and select Get Hardware Support Packages to open the Add-on Explorer. In the search box, type Embedded Coder Support Package for Renesas RH850 microcontrollers and then hit Enter. On the support package description page, click Install to start the installation. In the installation wizard, confirm the support package selection, review the MathWorks software license agreement, and accept to continue. The installer then downloads and installs the required files. After installation, you can either proceed to the hardware setup immediately or choose to do it later. For now, select Setup Later. Back in the Add-on Explorer, upon successful installation, the support package will now show with an installed label. You can also click on Manage to see the support package listed under the installed add-ons to confirm the installation. Finally, open a blank Simulink model and open the library browser to access the Renesas RH850 peripheral blocks available with the support package. To build, generate code, and deploy your model using these blocks, you must complete the hardware setup, which installs and validates the required third-party tools. Next, we'll walk through that setup. To set up the RH850 hardware, type RH850 setup at the MATLAB command prompt. The hardware setup window opens and lists the required third-party tools. That is, the CCRH compiler, AutoSAR RH850U2AX MCAL and its patch, CDDs and Renesas Flash Programmer. Download the specified version of these third-party tools by clicking on the link. Once downloaded, click on Next. Now, provide the installation path to the CCRH compiler and validate it. Moving on, choose Integrate and validate the individual MCAL and CCRH patch for the MCAL integration and validation. Here, specify the path of the MCAL package by browsing to the location where the x2x folder is located. Similarly, specify the path to its patch. Click Validate and Copy to validate the files, and it would copy the x2x folder from the patch and replace the corresponding x2x folder in the original MCAL package. This process may take a few minutes. After successful validation, validate the CDD by providing the path to the RH850U2A CDD drivers. Finally, validate the path of the Renesas Flash Programmer by providing its installation path. After the required tools are validated, click Next to review the installation summary and then click Finish to complete the setup. You are now ready to build, generate code and deploy applications onto the controller. I hope this video made it easier for you to get started with the support package. To learn more about the support package, visit the MathWorks hardware support page for Renesas RH850, featuring capabilities, documentation and ready-to-use examples. Thanks for watching this video.